The benefits of reishi mushrooms. I'm going to run through them quickly. I take them because of the great benefits that they have. And during this time when everyone is trying to boost their immune systems, reishi mushrooms is what's going to help you do that. So one, it boosts your immune system, of course, because what it's doing is it is activating or promoting the activity of your white blood cells. And white blood cells are used to stimulate the immune system and also ward off any toxins. So it's an antioxidant. It's also really good, or there's been test tube studies that have shown it targeting cancerous tumors, preventing cancer cells from growing. There is more studies that are needed to be done into this, but this is what they have found through test tube studies. Reishi mushrooms also contain triterpenes, which help reduce allergies, and it's a histamine reaction to asthma. So if you have asthma, reishi mushrooms will definitely help with that. It also has the ability to support the digestive organs and protect gut lining and lower inflammation. So I've spoken about this before, where the gut-brain axis are directly linked to your emotions. So reishi mushrooms are also going to help you alleviate depression and anxiety by what it's doing to protecting that gut lining. It also is a liver function detox. So it helps with cell regeneration of your liver and clears out toxins from the liver, eliminating free radicals and promoting the production of bile and fatty acids. So if you've been overindulging, reishi mushrooms will help clear that liver. It's also been proven to help people with diabetes and heart health. It relieves blood clotting and regulates cholesterol levels in the body. So this will also help with fatigue and hormonal imbalances. It raises the hemoglobin levels in your body, and so that will also stimulate energy and help fight those chronic fatigue kind of feelings. You can get it in a tincture form or in a powder. I take it as a tincture. I just take a few drops, put it under my tongue every day, and the benefits are great. I've been feeling that better balance, and you can get them in my link if you're watching this on Instagram. In my bio, there's a link that takes you to Cosmic Mushrooms. These the mushrooms that I take are in tincture form, and they're grown in Australia, and they're exported to everywhere in the world. And also, if you're watching it on YouTube, there's the link in the show notes below. I hope that makes sense. I hope it makes you want to go out and get some, because you should be taking it. It has so many benefits, and in tincture form, it lasts you a long time. They call it the mushroom of immortality for all those reasons. Thanks for watching. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe.